Today we have a problem, and the problem is if ab plus 1 divides a square plus b square, then we need to prove that a square plus b square over ab plus 1 is a perfect square. Most of the students mess this up. Are you ready? If you are ready, let's start this problem. As we know, ab plus 1 divides a square plus b square, so we can write this a square plus b square over ab plus 1 is equal to k. After that, we can convert this into a equation. We are going to get a square plus b square is equal to k into ab plus 1. Now, we can further simplify this. When we simplify, we are going to get a square plus b square is equal to kab plus k. After that, we are going to move all the terms on one side. When we move that, we are going to get a square minus kab plus b square minus k. Now we can convert this into a quadratic equation in A that can be written like that: a square minus kba plus b square minus k. For integer solution, discriminant must be a perfect square. We know that discriminant will be equal to b square minus 4ac. When we substitute the value, we are going to get kb whole square minus 4 into b square minus k. We can further simplify this. When we do that, we are going to get k square b square minus 4 b square plus 4k. We have the original equation. We can write the original equation just like that: a square minus kab plus b square is equal to k. Now we can close the square on the left side. When we close that, we are going to get a minus kb whole square plus k square minus 1 into b square is equal to k square. After that, I can make k square minus 1 into b square as a subject. When we do that, we are going to get k square minus 1 into b square will be equal to k square minus into a minus kb whole square. There is a strong integer structures that forces k must be a perfect square. So this means with the expression that we have, that can be written like that: k is equal to t square. I just solved the problem. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question, please write that question in the comment. Thank you.